Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather here for the next 7 to 10 days. And it looks like a little bit of rain still a possibility as we go through the rest of this Tuesday afternoon. Mid-afternoon, we're pretty much dry across the Arklatex with a mostly cloudy sky. Temperatures quite a bit cooler today compared to what we have seen yesterday. And it looks like the cold front, which we advertised yesterday, still will give us a possibility for some scattered showers and thunderstorms here for the rest of this Tuesday afternoon. That activity likely will end tonight. So let's take a look at Robin's Cellular Futurecast. And you can see that as we head into the latter sections of the afternoon, we will see the scattered showers and thunderstorms begin to develop. But notice how quickly they will fall apart as we move through the evening hours. By 10 o'clock, much of the rain could be pretty much gone. We will see the clouds temporarily decrease during the nighttime hours tonight, and then tomorrow we'll see a mix of lots of clouds, a little bit of sunshine, as temperatures tomorrow will remain a little bit below normal for this time of year with highs in the low to middle 80s. Going through tomorrow night, the clouds will stick around, decreasing late, and then Thursday we should expect plenty of sunshine across the area with a few clouds mixing in during the afternoon. Now, our next disturbance is in line to impact us as we look ahead to mainly Friday night. Here's a sneak peek at this cold front, which is by Thursday evening going to be moving into the Central Plains. It will begin to approach the Arklatex during the day Friday, and late Friday afternoon we could see a few storms over the northwest edge of the area, which likely will weaken as they progress their way to the south during the nighttime hours Friday night. Storm Prediction Center does indicate that we do have a bit of a severe weather risk. I really do think the chance probably going to be highest near and north of Interstate 30 with some wind issues with these thunderstorms. Let's take a look at Futurecast, the longer range version, and you can see as we progress our way through Thursday night, we will see a mostly clear sky. Friday, basically partly cloudy. Notice very late in the day the line of thunderstorms along that second front making its way into the northwestern sections of the area. And this is where the severe weather risk likely will be at its highest. Again, a slight risk as of right now from SPC. Those storms will likely weaken as they move south of Interstate 30, and by Saturday morning, most of that rain will be gone. We'll see a slight chance for a scattered shower during the day Saturday as another batch of cooler air moves in. Ahead of this front, we'll probably be back up close to 90 for a daytime high to close the work week Friday. Now, longer range, a lot of uncertainty as there's no big weather system that's going to impact us, be it high pressure or low pressure. You can see Friday's disturbance with this big upper level trough moving into the Great Lakes. That's what's going to push the cold front through. And then we'll see a fairly weak ridging keep us relatively dry, but we will see by the beginning or middle part of next week a slight chance of rain that could begin to return, and it may increase a bit as we look ahead to next Thursday. So your forecast looks like this for tonight. We will see again what rain we have seen or will see develop across the area wrap up as we progress our way through the evening hours. The clouds will decrease some late tonight as temperatures will fall into the low to middle 60s. 66 in Shreveport, 63 in Texarkana. Tomorrow I expect a partly to mostly cloudy sky with highs that will be a little bit below that normal of 84. We'll top out at 82 in Shreveport, 81 degrees in Texarkana, 81 degrees as well for the high temperature in Marshall. And your 10-day forecast shows the warm-up that will follow, mid to upper 80s Thursday, low 90s a good possibility Friday. Most of any rain that we'll see from that cold front will be after sunset Friday night, so call it Friday night, and again a few lingering showers possible Saturday, and then low end rainfall chances for the last half of next week, as we'll see highs by the end of the weekend back to the low 80s, back up to the upper 80s by the end of next week. Overnight lows not really going to change that much as they mainly stay in the 60s. So again, a little bit of rain possible for the rest of this Tuesday afternoon and evening, and then a better chance for maybe a few strong thunderstorms for the northern sections of the area as we look ahead to Friday evening and Friday night.